Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you again for the privilege of your time, the opportunity to catch up, check in, and discuss where we are with this pandemic. Yesterday, I previewed an announcement that I'll be making today as it relates to efforts to modify our health orders here in the state of California. Bottom line is the spread of this virus continues at a rate that is particularly concerning. We're seeing parts of the state where we are seeing an increase in not only the total number of positive cases, but a significant increase in the total number of people that are getting tested that are testing positive. Certain sectors of the state, we are now requiring they close their indoor operations due to the spread. Those 19 counties, again, that have been impacted by our action. These are the counties that have been on the watch list for at least 3 consecutive days. Those counties, large and small, all up and down the state. Remember, California has 58 counties. These are 19 counties within the state, but these 19 counties represent over 70% of the population here in the state of California. With that, we have specifically targeted our efforts to close indoor operations, and I want to reinforce this, indoor operations in restaurants, wineries, and tasting rooms, movie theaters, family entertainment, broadly defined by guidelines that we had previously put out, zoos, museums, and card rooms in this state. This doesn't mean restaurants shut down. It means that we're trying to take the activities, many activities as we can, these mixed activities, these concentrated activities, and move them outdoors, which is a way of mitigating the spread of this virus. We have as well made very clear our concerns around bars operating in the state of California. We're just moving forward to close the operation of all of those bars in all of the 19 counties. The state of California is not mandating the closure of beaches this weekend, but we are modifying our parking facility operations and closing them to traffic throughout the Southern California region, as well as parts of Monterey County, Santa Cruz, in through the Bay Area and up along the North Coast, all the way up to Sonoma County. We have worked with those counties, the 19 counties that are on our mandatory closure list, and we have made it clear privately. Now we're making it more abundantly clear publicly that we believe that they should consider canceling some of their fireworks shows and presentations. By the way, a number of cities have done just that. LA, I think San Francisco, even here at the Cal Expo in Northern California, in the Sacramento region, have already made that determination. So this shouldn't come as a major surprise. I really cannot impress upon you more the tendency to invite friends, neighbors over that you haven't seen is there. Perhaps you've already done that. I hope you'll reconsider those gatherings with people you do not live with that are not in your immediate household. We were able to bend the curve in the state of California. We're going to bend this curve again. The decisions we're making here today, we do so soberly but thoughtfully and deliberatively with an idea on mitigating the spread of this virus. We're focusing and targeting on local parts of the state where we're seeing an increase in community spread and we're seeing an increase in the positivity rate. Not every part of the state is impacted equally, and as a consequence, we are not targeting at a statewide level these rules and regulations. We're focusing in on areas of concern. We have deep reverence and respect for local health officers and the hard work that they're doing, and local elected officials of all political stripes and their determination of what is working in their communities. We encourage them to continue to enforce these rules and regulations. We provide technical assistance when they need the support of the state, and we continue to hold out an expectation of ongoing cooperation and ongoing engagement. We've had it in the past with few exceptions, just a few, and we anticipate we'll continue to have that spirit of collaboration and cooperation moving forward.